How to make an offer. So you've listed your wants and needs and you've found the house you love. So what comes next? It's time to make an offer. Before you make an offer on a house, you need to get pre-approved. Send your lender the appropriate documents and wait for the approval. A pre-approval letter will tell you what you can afford and will reassure the seller that you are capable of taking over the house payments. Now, the market is moving fast, so you want to make sure you have some skin in the game. Have your agent provide you with the comparative market analysis to help you place a competitive offer to set it apart from the rest. Many sellers are looking for a quick and smooth transaction. So bring something to the table and show them how strong your offer is. Let them know how quickly you can close. Have your down payment readily available. Limit your contingencies. Anything that will get you a leg up without compromising your needs. Many buyers send the seller a home buyer letter in hopes to get the emotional edge. Here at the Mortgage Firm Tampa, we advise you not only to send a letter, but let us know when you put your offer in and we will personally call the listing agent. We call this an honor call. We stand in the gap and highlight your strengths to help you win the deal. There have been so many times where just adding that extra highlighting your strengths and telling the seller's party how much winning the house would mean to you has won our home buyers the deal. We want to do the same for you. Why am I telling you this? If you really want the house, make your offer stand out. Thanks for watching today's video. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mortgage content. We're the Mortgage Firm Tampa, a local lender serving clients like you.